Alright, so I just installed my handle. Opening this up. You can see inside. Don't have to give it much. Just enough to raise it high enough to shoot the silly string out with a modified cap. Close it up. Fire. So next I'm going to install a little switch here, a little momentary switch. I'm going to run a wire and it's inside of the handle, and I'm going to put a little tiny hole here to run the wire into the unit itself. So when you're firing, push forward to shoot the silly string and push down on the button for the sounds. You get the idea. Thanks, Justin, for the part inside. I don't think I would have pulled it off without it. Bye-bye.